Making our headlines today, Wednesday, February 4th. The Ministry of Health has announced plans for a national cancer policy and legislation for a new cancer registry. Procurement has begun for an integrated traffic management and enforcement system, and the boys under 15 football national team bested Jamaican visiting team Cavaliers FC over the weekend. Good evening and welcome to CIGtv News, your official source for the latest and most accurate government information. I'm Levita Thompson. Today, Wednesday, 4th of February, is recognized as World Cancer Day. The Ministry of Health, Environment and Sustainability is announcing major steps to combat the island's second leading cause of death. Minister for Health, Honorable Catherine Ebanks-Wilkes, says a national cancer policy is in final approval stages and will standardize cancer screening and care across all three islands.
Cancer prevention, treatment, and care is a top priority for me and the NCFC government. The STEPS data has helped to shape the forthcoming national cancer policy. The updating of the Cancer Registry Bill, as well as specific public health campaigns such as the HPV cancer prevention vaccination drive.
The decision comes as new data from the Ministry of Health STEP survey revealed concerning data, including the fact that 32% of women eligible for cervical screening have never been tested, and only 30% of men report ever having a prostate exam. The ministry is also drafting the country's first Cancer Registry Act to create Cayman's first ever tracking system for cancer cases and treatment outcomes. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Hilary Wolfe says without this data, we cannot fully understand where prevention efforts should be focused.
We do not currently have a national cancer registry. Without one, we cannot accurately measure incidence, track trends over time, or fully understand where prevention and early detection efforts should be focused. This is why establishing a national cancer registry is a priority for the ministry. A registry is not just about numbers. It is about knowledge that saves lives. It allows us to guide policy, improve clinical practice, and ensure resources are directed where they are needed most. This will be done with the utmost respect for data protection, with strong privacy safeguards, clear governance, and public trust at its core.
For more details, visit gov.ky. The Cayman Islands Government is seeking consultants to design a new integrated traffic management and enforcement system for the Cayman Islands. The Ministry of Planning, Lands, Agriculture, Housing and Infrastructure has issued a request for proposals on behalf of the National Road Safety Committee. The system would include automated enforcement of speeding and traffic offenses, improved traffic flow management, and legal frameworks. Officials stress this is a design phase only, not immediate implementation of cameras. The project is part of the National Road Safety Strategy 2023 to 2038, aimed at reducing deaths and serious injuries on Cayman's roads. Full details are available on the government's bonfire procurement portal, cayman.bonfirehub.com. Now for today's sports news. The Cayman Islands boys under 15 national team defeated Jamaica's Cavaliers FC 3-1 in front of around 200 supporters at the Cayman Brac Sports Complex on Sunday, February 1st. Dakota Brown from Cayman Brac opened the scoring for Cayman Islands in the highly contested match. The Cayman Islands team also had support from Minister for District Administration, Honorable Nicholas DaCosta.
Sports is very important in Cayman Brac, across the entire country. But sports actually brings the community together, and football is one of the cornerstone sporting activities that this community truly enjoys.
Oh, awesome. We have a very important match here today. We're hosting the Cayman Islands boys under 15 football national team, and they'll be playing against Cavaliers Football Club out of Jamaica. And these are the final of the 3 rounds that are played in the youth tournament here in the Cayman Islands. And we're so glad to have them here in the Brac.
The match was one of the final rounds of competition in the 3-day tournament presented by Ascension Football Group, which brought youth football talent to the sister islands with support from the Cayman Islands Government, Cayman Airways, and local sponsors. Time now for our weather forecast. Tonight calls for overcast skies with rain and scattered showers. Some showers may become locally heavy at times. Temperatures will fall to the low 70s. Wind will be east to northeast at 5 to 10 knots, becoming north to northeast by daybreak. Seas will be moderate with wave heights of 3 to 5 feet. For local weather updates, be sure to visit the Cayman Islands National Weather Service website, weather.gov.ky, and follow their Facebook page for the most reliable coverage. If you're watching us on the CIG YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed with the facts straight from the source. That's all for today's news brief. I'm Levita Thompson. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again tomorrow.